welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm back with another niche idea video, and we are doing the last niche for May, and it is Mother's Day, and I'm going to go ahead and do a Mother's Day shirt. Okay, let's see what I can come up with, what kind of ideas that I can randomly, decide on. But this should be fun as well. I'll be designing in Canva as always, mainly the most that I design it anyway. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. Again, the last day that is left is Mother's Day, so I'm going to go ahead and close up the wheel of names, and I'm going to head on over to my Canva, and I'm going to create a design, do my custom dimensions. I'm just going to do 5,000 by 5,000 pixels, and we are going to get started. I don't even know like what I should choose or like what I should do. Let's look at some t-shirt templates and let's see if it can, help us out. There we go. So let's find some templates for some t-shirt. Oh my gosh. Instantly I see this. But I also think I want to do like a rainbow too. This is definitely Mommy, established in 2006. So that was a simple one. I love that. Super cute. You can go in and change the fonts, okay? You can make it totally something different. This is like the Brady Bunch font right here. This is like that rich California font. I love that one. And then you can top it off with, let's see, nope, not gonna do that. It has to be a nice bold font, but not too big to like coexist with this. And you don't want to really do that. Might be cute. Let's see. Let's do a smaller size. 50. See what happens. Does it go? Okay. So that might be cute, mommy. Oh, I'm going to wear this. I'm definitely going to put this up. You guys know I'm about to probably do this in black just because it'll be easier on my mock-up for the shirt. But I love this. Oh, forgot to turn the lines black. There we go. Go ahead and make those black too. And then I think I have another design. I'm going to use a rainbow for that. This one was super simple for Mother's Day. Love this. And then we'll add the rainbow because they do have a lot of them, and a lot of them you can change the color. Let's do a rainbow here. Let's find one that we can change the color with. Okay, we can change the color with that one. I'm going to do my purples, of course, because what is life without purple? I don't know how you guys don't. And then I'm just going to put mama like across this somewhere. Let's see. Let's find a good font. Probably not that one. Something, it has to be like bold. Let's see. This might stand out. Let's see. Mama. I like. And because Canva got these curved effects and stuff. Wait, there we go. You can do it like that. Probably can make it bigger. But not too much curve. Bring it in some. And let's see what color. We can do black. And I think did it have a background color? I guess not. So, super simple. Or you can just do mama down here. Either or. You can do it that way or the other way, but I'm really digging this one, okay? Super digging this. All right, that was easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.